Alright, welcome to day 3. So we'll go in through the content again. Day 3. Continuing on with our numeracy unit. Day 3 is patterning and algebra. Little meme here about everyone being a math person. And those that don't think that they're good at math can be a math person. So start with watching the video below, and in the video there are 5 learning suggestions given. After you watch the video, think of the strategies that you use when you're working through a math problem. Why do you think these strategies help you? And can you think of other strategies that you use? Okay, so today we'll be looking at patterns, algebraic expressions, and scatter plots. So you'll be asked to pause and review videos and complete tasks as you go. Okay, so look at the 3 figures in the pattern below and reflect on the following questions. What is the pattern rule? What is the algebraic expression? You can click on this video here to review through Khan Academy how to create an algebraic expression. And then you're going to click on the next link on the left-hand toolbar that says practice writing expressions with variables and complete the problem. Okay, so there it is there. And then what would a scatter plot look like with this data? Look at the table of values shared below as a guide, and then you can click here as a reminder of what scatter plots look like. There you go. Okay, so we've got some more diagrams here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. How do you see the pattern growing? How many squares are in figure 10? And how many squares would be in figure 55? And how do you know those things? How did you figure that out? And then how can you figure out how many total squares are in any figure? Then you're going to complete the exit ticket around cost-effective camping. Okay, so you click on here. This is what your assignment will look like. Okay, so you're planning a fun-filled camp experience for all the students in your school, and you're looking at 3 locations. Camp Muskoka is $35 per student. Pioneer Camp is $1,000 flat for use of the camp, plus $25 per student. And Camp Kawartha, you have the facility to yourself, but it's $5,000 for the day. So you're going to determine the algebraic expressions for all 3 options. You're going to create a table of values to sort your information and to look at the scenarios for different numbers of students. And then you're going to create a scatter plot. Make sure you label your graph appropriately, and then use the graph to determine what options would be the most cost effective if 50 students participated, if 100 students participated, or if 200 students participated. You can create the scatter plot using an online resource, such as this graphing resource, or you can do it on paper. If you choose to do it on paper, please take a picture of it and attach it here. And if you choose to do an online, then please attach a screenshot. If you have an IEP with some accommodations, you're going to do this one here. Okay, let's find our way back to the content. And there's you've got some success criteria at the bottom. Okay, and that's it for day 3. Email if you have any questions.